Hence, we are all going there.
Okay. But did you ever travel in this direction before?
Did not come this way. But yes, we know this forest is little dangerous.
Dangerous. Why is it dangerous?
What I meant was, there are so many rumors about this forest.
Are there any ghost stories or what?
Oh, now stop it. Stop it. I say, I'm very scared.
Wait a minute, Bulkaya. Without raising any more doubts or complications, tell me clearly what is there in this forest?
Nothing as such, Dama. But this place is known to be a home for many cruel tribes. If they see people like us, they will hunt and eat us. Do you even understand?
Arey, why all this now?
Looks like those cruel tribals have found us. We're in trouble now.
Hey, oh my God, please leave me, please, for the God.
Bulkaya has enough fear to match his body size.
Ramakrishna, what are these naughty acts? Our Bulkaya will die with this fear of ghosts. Ramakrishna, you started it all again.
Now you should believe me, because I am also hearing some unusual sounds.
Are you sure?